Can you buy Amazon gift card with Cash App? Today we are going to talk about if you can buy Amazon gift card with Cash App. Well, technically you can buy Amazon gift card with Cash App if you have an Amazon Cash card. So, Cash App. If I search for Cash App card, which should look something like that, this works like a normal, a Cash App debit card. If you have this card, you'll easily be able to use it to buy Amazon gift card. So for that, you simply have to go to Google, search for Amazon gift card, and then you have to, go to any of the website which you trust. So you can actually go to this website, or you can go to the website which is called as G2A. And now this website is quite famous. If you go to this website g2a.com and search for Amazon gift card, you will easily be able to buy it and pay using your Cash App card. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.